I don't think I'm playing the super speed one. Cause it's
Wait, can I play?
okay. This is in normal speed. I like it like this. Here. Alright, guys. So today we are playing Cat Mario with Aiden. We couldn't play the other game because it was really laggy, but we're playing Cat Mario with Aiden, and I'm gonna let Aiden try to do this. I actually wanted to do it at a normal speed because at fast speed, I don't think he's gonna handle it. But I think he will
I
handle.
can handle.
But no, you can handle this. Watch. Come on, it's all ready. Do it for the viewers. Do it for the viewers. That's what they always say.
What? First of all, let's try to get a coin. Oh!
Oh. Dang! Nah, bro, you fell down.
Stop mocking me! Oh, it's all in Japanese.
No worries, you can still play it.
Genocide. Genocide be like.
Be really cautious about this. Aha, you figured it out. Okay. A mushroom? Oh, we lost the mushroom.
Pretty sure that's a fake one.
Oh! You were right at the checkpoint. You were right at the checkpoint. Dang. Blow. Huh. You gotta keep on trying.
The. I broke it.
Where you got killed by the ghost? They're called ghosts for some reason. I don't know why. They're called ghosts. Or whatever they call them. Little ghost things. They are ghosts. But I think Max is stuck in this room. Hold on.
No, he likes to be in here. Let's go in the pipe.
Oh, you gonna? Oh, he went flying into space. Ow, ow!
What's wrong?
I hit my stomach.
Let's see if I can get this. Ooh, that was yummy, he said.
Yeah, I felt like something big went in my stomach.
It's a mushroom. Holy! I came so big I went through the map. You saw that?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, that was yummy.
You'd imagine having bronchitis though. Bronchitis.
Oh, there's that.
Aiden,
What?
imagine having bronchitis.
What's a bronchitis?
Inflammation of light into a bronchial tube, which carry air to air from the lungs, which carries air to the and what the? It's still doing that noise. I don't wonder why it's still doing that noise. Why does it play to me?
I did this thing.
You'd imagine having bronchitis.
What's a bronchitis?
It's something.
You can put the shaggy like handboy can.
Huh? What'd you say?
I was speaking Japanese.
That's what Chinese people sound like.
I don't Chinese people.
My goodness! What have you done to the audience?
Do not jump in there. Jump scare. What the? Imagine being with China.
Yeah. wait, you're about to do it. You're about to do it. Jump. Nah, there's like a Dang!
There. Whoa!
Oh!
What the fuck?
You were right there. You were right there.
House.
Dang.
That's so.
You gotta keep. Dang, you must be out of your mind.
Bloodweight queso. I just said that platform going down into the abyss. Heave ho!
And you overpowered the rage. You've overpowered the rage. You are overpowered.
The clown!
Bro, the cloud betrayed you, basically. The cloud betrayed you. That's wild. I'm just gonna place him now. And you're too addicted to those queso memes. You're too addicted to them. I'm not even joking, like you were actually addicted.
Ah! I'm up in like a Ferris wheel.
Bro, you've gone on a rampage.
Devour me! Devour me!
Remember, you gotta jump really far. Dang it! It just makes the game hard for you. Did anybody beat Cat Mario before? Did like anybody even beat this game before? Dang. I just realized I had stuff on my lips. You know what? Now I forget that there's stuff on my lips. What? You didn't even get killed by anything. That is wild.
No, you get killed for nothing. I get killed for nothing at this point.
Why do you keep getting killed by nothing? What? Are you doing that on purpose?
No.
Dang, it's a new plan. Watch out! He's gonna get another case on me.
Wait, you're kidding. Wait, you're kidding.
We've been playing this game for like.
They're just gone. I'm so bored they died. Whereas I had to finally learn how to jump just so that they can jump over those steps and finally.
Ugh.
Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho, heave ho, heave ho.
Okay, you got. No! You wanna watch how I do it? Rolling on a rampage. What the? What button did you use to kill yourself?
I was just randomly killed.
Huh. Hey, Aiden, I have a question. Do you have any candy that you have?
I just died again.
Dang. Do you have any candy that you saved?
I have some pumpkin candies and some for Halloween, some pumpkin candies and some other stuff.
Or what is it like? Is it like? What does it look like? Is it like candy corn or is it something else?
This tastes like candy corn but bigger. It's candy pumpkin.
Do you have anything else that other than candy corn?
We do have winter chocolate, I think. Maybe some M&Ms are still here. I just got lodged. I'm dying over and over again.
I saw you.
It killed itself.
You pressed the O button. You pressed the O button. You're gonna have to stop. Well, that'll be it for.
Wait, but we have this one. Remember this? Uber fast.
The super fast one. Yeah, you're definitely gonna do that. Why do you want to play the super fast one? The super fast one is too fast for people's eyes. They can't even see what's going on. It's too fast.
So it's even faster.
You're fast like Sonic the Hedgehog or something.
No, like it's a flea.
Like flee the facility or something. Fine. Oh
Flea Mario. Mite Mario. Like, you know, like those fleas that latch onto your pets.
This is what speedrunners look like, actually. Like one of those speedrun games. Like, yeah, I think you die in like a few seconds.
Rapid death.
Well, now I know to kill myself in Cat Mario is the O button. What did that ghost said?
Wall. One of them said wall. Wall.
Just laughing at your pain. You guys are still laughing at your misery. Dang. Why are you speedrunning with this?
speedruns of Cat Mario be like.
Dang, that you blasted one.
I thought I could just straight up run across gaps. Dang it, when I remember again, and it killed me. Holy!
Bro, what's going on?
Those the poison shrooms. I found out how to spawn them. I ate a star and it killed me.
This is entertaining to watch.
Holy!
What did you do?
Random movements. Random movements speedruns here.
Y'all just broke. Y'all just broke like that.
I got a hole in one.
Hold on, wait. Let me check something. Oh, it's just like this. Oh, let me fix that. Let me fix that. No, wait. That was good.
What the? To Mario, to Cat Mario acted like. keep on getting hole in ones. Okay, I'm quite bored. I'm bored by this.
You getting bored of this?
Well, let's see.
Do you want to play a different game now? Bro, we just watch, we just doing a bunch of random stuff now. Basically, we're just doing it. I'll just keep on recording until you stop playing.
I just got a hole in one.
Golfing game, wonderful. Wish I had a hole in one.
This one just landed it right in that one block gap.
You know, next time when we play Wii Sports, we gotta play the golf game. We gotta play the golf game. There's other games, yeah.
Cat Mario Particle Accelerator. Cat Mario Particle Accelerator.
Sounds like me, it's home to do it. I'm getting tired, honestly. I'm just getting tired.
To be honest, I just want to stop playing. I'll call it a night.
Yeah. Alright, well, that'll be it for today's video. We played some Cat Mario, it was fun. So, I'll be uploading this tomorrow. And I'm tired as hell. So anyways, I'm gonna stop this here, guys.
But literally call it.
Hope everybody did enjoy. Oh crap. Okay, anyways. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. And I'll see you all guys later, buddy. Goodbye.